So Shiba Inu continues to be one of the most purchased tokens as it relates to whales and large, large buyers of crypto coins and tokens. This is a good thing. This continues to just illustrate a very simple point that I like to make on my channel and in a video occasionally, where I talk about the fact that Shiba Inu itself being a community token, being a meme token. I don't consider it that anymore myself per se, but the fact that it is, and considering and the fact that it is one of the most top tokens right here, purchased by the 1,000 biggest Ethereum wallets, is a good thing. Okay, it is one of those things where, hey, I'd rather have this than not have this. Let's just call it what it is. And I think that this is an important metric. And I've actually seen some of you guys drop in comments like, well, yeah, Austin, we get it that you think this is important of Shiba Inu being bought by very large Ethereum wallets. In this case, on the highlighted on the screen, the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets. By the way, these are wallets, guys, that have hundreds of millions of dollars in them. Okay, and the fact that Shiba Inu is one of the most purchased tokens in those wallets to me is a big thing. But back to what we were saying is that I think what some of you guys focus on the other side of the coin when they sell. Here's what I would tell you. This is the smart money. These are people that buy low, sell high. This is how you should do anything, stocks, crypto, etc. Yes, I know that's an obvious statement, but is it really? I talk about this all the time. I did a video yesterday talking about things you should not do in a crypto crash or a bearish market. And one of the main things is don't sell because everybody else is selling. Number two, don't sell because of being emotionally or hysterically emotional, meaning like if you see things falling, it tends to be a human nature that I got to get out now. And it also, there's a lot of new crypto retail investors. You and I are retail investors. There's a lot of new crypto investors in Shiba Inu. And sometimes it can be the newer investors that are the ones that can cause the most damage from, when we have a 7 or 8% drop, they're the ones stressing the most. I'm not saying that in a bad way. I'm simply saying that it's more of a education. It's more of a, after you've done this for a while, you tend to kind of weather those dips and those storms, right? Usually it's not the smart money that leaves the building. It's not the whales that leave the building. When they buy in, they pick a price point. They want to make a certain return on their dollar, and that's how they do it. This is how I've been doing stock investing for 30 plus years. It's how I do crypto investing. I have a price point. I have a multi-year hold plan, things of that nature. Okay, so back to my point. So the fact that Ethereum is the main holding of these big wallets. The fact that Shiba Inu is the number 2, it's right here. So Ethereum average purchase over the last 24 hours, 147 with Ethereum, and Shiba Inu right there with 73, followed by USDT Mana, which that actually doesn't surprise me. Mana being one of the top, obviously metaverse plays, Matic, etc. Okay, so you can see how it all is laying out, and the fact that Shiba Inu is in the number two position, right behind Ethereum, is a good thing, and that's how I'm looking at it. Just to wrap up with a kind of price action, depending upon when you're watching this video, the overall crypto market's up 4%. Shiba Inu itself is up about 3.5%. Right there, it's running right there with Ethereum and Bitcoin as far as kind of a price percentage gain standpoint. I expect it to continue to trade in this narrow trading range, this consolidation range in the short term, because we're just getting a return back to kind of the overall market moving in the right direction. So we're getting a little bit of consumer retail investor confidence as well as just overall kind of investing confidence in crypto. We do have some information coming out later this week from the Federal Reserve, things of that nature. So keep your eye on for that. And we still got the whole thing with Russia and the Ukraine bubbling out there as well. So stay tuned. I appreciate you. I'll see you later. Bye.